Namhlanje kuleli cala bekufakaza omakhelwane ababa ingxenye yokuthungathwa kaJocelyn ngesikhathi kuzwakala ukuthi unyamalele. Umngane kamama kaJocelyn utshela inkantolo ukuthi ngesikhathi uJocelyn esasenonyaka umama wakhe wake wazama ukunikela ngaye.
Is it correct, ma'am, that at some point you were in the process or intended to adopt Jocelyn?
That's correct, sir.
That's right, my lord.
Uthi bahamba baya kwabezenhlala kahle kodwa lolu hlelo lwabhuntsha ngenxa yokuthi abazali bakaJocelyn abafinyelelanga esivumelwaneni nowayezokuba usingamzali ongufakazi kuleli cala.
Myself and a mother went to the social worker. We could not proceed with this application of the documents because parents would not give us go ahead. That would be Josh and Kelly.
Umama kaJocelyn ube nomunyu namhlanje uma omunye womakhelwane echaza ngosuku uJocelyn alahleka ngalo.
Ek het vir Kelly jammer gekry.
I felt sorry for Kelly.
En ek het gesien waar deur het sy gegaan.
I could see what she was going through.
Ngela xesha siya eDeersville wayekhala. Kodwa ngosesesibuyile ke ngosiphale Peter Mokaba Street engasakhali.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.